Hello everybody, this is Rahul Bagul explaining briefly about the automated car door locks. Here we are seeing an image of a door lock, an automated door lock of a boot of a car. Okay. Now here this image has various different parts such as this black. I will mention it as a black casing, the outer casing, and this will be a metal plate which goes and directly assembles to the boot to the body of the car, and third will be this locks. Okay, for better view, and I removed the black casing, and here is the view. We are seeing this without the casing. This is the view. Okay, now we will go to the identical 3D part which has been created in auto in Katia V5 to give you a brief idea of how the function and how the parts works in tandem to lock the car. Okay, let's go to the 3D part now. So guys, here is the 3D part which is very similar and identical created to the images we just saw. Okay, now this is, here we are seeing this. These are different parts created. I'll just remove one of those. See, here you can see the casing itself. I had also designed a particular card which is not seen in the 2D image we just saw. This part is nothing but the actuator. Now I will just explain what this actuator does in the latter part of this video. Okay, let's see the part just now. Okay, now if we are seeing this part, this door lock without the casing. Now this is the metal which goes and assembles with the body of the car. Okay, here it is. I'll just put back this casing. Okay, now here we are. Now this is the first part, this is the second part, and I term here this as the third part. This is a very important part. These are nothing but the locking tooth of the locks. Okay, now whenever if you operate those locking buttons on the keys, we are just sending the wireless message to the sensors of the car, and these sensors actuate or send signals and send signals to this actuator here. Now I will tell you what is the actuator. Actuator is nothing but a simple mechanism which has an electric motor in it, which turns the circular motion into a linear motion, which is required to operate this tooth here, this locking tooth. Okay, I will show the tooth, the brief display of how tooth movements are done. For details, you can check the actual video of the car lock, which I have been sending you via mails. Okay, now here I will just show you. Whenever we press the button, it sends the signal to the sensors of the car, and that sensors actuate the actuator. In further, the actuator turns this lock into this closing position. Okay, now I am saying the only one side of the power lock. Now this is the lock position. If you could just go to that video and see, you will notice what I am saying. Okay, now I will just activate the another lock also. Here we are seeing this dual latch system. which has been used in the bonnet of the boot of the car. Okay, it operates like this, and this both locks the boot of the car. Okay, so here was a short video of what a actuator lock, automated lock was like. Okay, if any regards any queries, you could just mail me or ask our colleagues to send me the mail. Okay, uh, so get in touch, and you can also don't forget to comment on my blog. um, Thanks for watching. Waiting for your feedback. Bye.